Hi, this is Paul Shepherd, and welcome to the Mindset Changing Podcast. This is a step-by-step instruction episode for anyone struggling with an anxiety or panic attack. Please save this episode for easy access. Let's dive right in. You can't outthink a panic attack, as your nervous system has been hijacked into survival mode. You have to hijack it back. Listen to my voice and follow my instructions. I'd like you to do a double inhale through your nose. So once into the belly, a second inhale to the chest, and then I want you to blow everything out through your mouth, emptying your lungs. And we're going to keep repeating that. I know this might feel difficult at first, but you do have the ability to take back control. So to the best of your ability, do another double inhale, belly and chest, breathing everything out through your mouth. And again, breathe in, belly and chest, breathe everything out through your mouth. And again, belly, chest, breathe everything out through your mouth. Now you'll be doing this in your own rhythm and probably not in sync with me here. That is perfectly fine, because what we're doing is, as you keep repeating this, you're triggering the parasympathetic nervous system, which hijacks your nervous system back and lets your brain know you are safe. And I'd like you to do this double inhale until I give you your next instruction, or about 10 times. Breathing like this releases trapped carbon dioxide, which can add to the feelings of panic. If you have someone with you, get them to help you with these instructions if you're struggling to listen. Now, if possible, begin breathing in through the nose, down to the belly. And if you can breathe out through your nose, do. But if it's more comfortable to breathe out through your mouth right now, still continue. We're tapping deep into that parasympathetic nervous system, which will return you back to your baseline of calm. And as you breathe out, I want you to say strongly and deeply inside your mind these two words: false alarm. As you breathe out strongly and deeply, false alarm. False alarm. Almost like a mantra. Remember, your body has been triggered by a false alarm. That's the physical symptoms you are experiencing because it believes you are in danger when you're not. There's no fucking tiger. Now, the part of you that's panicking is not you. It's a part of you. Sometimes this is our inner child, and it's just reenacting an old, outdated program. That's all. And you're being triggered by a false alarm where there's no evidence that you are actually in danger. There's no fucking tiger. Keep repeating false alarm. And what you can also begin to do is begin to take your hands and you can begin to rub very gently, very softly your opposite arms, like you're caressing them. And this also stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. Give them a nice, gentle rub. You will calm down in your own time. Now, the next section is for when you are much calmer. Begin to tap your feet from left to right, slowly and rhythmically. You can add your hands if you wish on your lap, if you're sat down. Just tapping with your hands and with your feet in sync slowly. And this also slows down your nervous system and tells the brain you are safe. And as you continue calming down, you can add a new mantra. I'm calm, confident, and in control. Set deeply inside your mind, I'm calm, confident, and in control. I'm calm, confident, and in control. If you happen to have ice cold water near you, plunging your hands in or rubbing ice or cold water over your face will also help slow down your heart rate. After a panic attack, self-care is essential. Your body needs to rest, and you can do things which you know will nourish you the most from the inside out. I would also recommend, after this podcast episode, listening to a gratitude episode, because gratitude helps flood the body with oxytocin, which is a powerful anxiety killer and healer. Remember that when a panic attack hits, resisting it, fighting it, will make it worse. But you can intercept it through the breath and begin to change your relationship with panic attacks so you no longer develop that fear of fear. I hope you found this podcast episode useful. Let me know your thoughts with your feedback, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next episode.